How to protect your 401k with gold when you're over 70. Retirement after age 70 brings both freedom and new financial challenges. Required minimum distributions, RMDs, rising inflation, and market volatility can put your hard-earned savings at risk. That's why many retirees consider a smart option, protecting a 401k with gold through a gold IRA rollover. Gold adds stability and long-term value when traditional markets feel uncertain. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn how to diversify your retirement with gold. Click the link below in the description to get it. Understand the risks after 70. At this stage, RMDs increase your tax exposure and market downturns can quickly erode account balances. Inflation further reduces the buying power of fixed income streams like Social Security or pensions. Why gold works as protection. Gold is a proven hedge against inflation and economic turmoil. It carries no counterparty risk, cannot be printed, and historically preserves wealth when stocks and currencies falter. For retirees, this makes gold a reliable stabilizer in a diversified portfolio. Use a gold IRA for stability. A gold IRA is a self-directed IRA that allows physical gold and IRS-approved coins or bars. Benefits include 1. Preservation of capital, protects purchasing power over time. 2. Diversification, balances stock and bond exposure. 3. RMD flexibility, gold stability helps avoid forced sales at market lows. 4. Legacy value, tangible wealth easily passed to heirs. How to roll over a 401k to a gold IRA. 1. Check eligibility, typically available after retirement or leaving your employer. 2. Choose a custodian, select an IRS-approved firm with clear fees and secure vault storage. 3. Direct rollover, move funds directly to avoid taxes and penalties. 4. Select metals, invest in IRS-approved bullion or coins like American Gold Eagles. 5. Secure storage, keep your gold in an IRS-approved depository, not at home. If you're over 70, safeguarding your nest egg is about stability, not speculation. Transitioning part of your 401k into a gold IRA can help protect your wealth, reduce risk, and provide peace of mind. Gold may not deliver explosive growth, but it offers something better, enduring financial security. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.